Welcome to Challenges, Games, and Comics. We're going to navigate you through the process of changing your subscription from Pullbox to a comic subscription. So on challenges.com, we're going to go to comic subscriptions. Next, we're going to press please sign in to manage subscriptions. Here we're going to input our email address. If you were a previous Diamond Pullbox user, then put in your Diamond Pullbox email. If you're a new subscriber, then put in whatever email that you want to use for your subscriptions. Now that we put in our email address, you will get a code sent directly to your email. The code will say Challenges, Games, and Comics Inc. Take that 6-digit code and enter it here. Okay, now that we've gone through and entered here, we can return back to challengesgames.com. Now we go to comic subscriptions and we go to my subscriptions. Here you can see all the subscriptions that you have inputted for Challenges, Games, and Comics at this point. To add new subscriptions, go to Publishers. Here we have a couple of our featured publishers, but we do show all publishers here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to subscribe to Wonder Woman as an example. So I will type in Wonder Woman here, and I will navigate to the Absolute Wonder Woman. Next, click on Subscribe to Series. Now here you will go through and enter all the terms and conditions. Basically, this is just saying that, that you're recognizing that you will be starting up some subscription. You don't have to do this for all of them, but you only have to do it the first time. Here, we will now subscribe to the main comic. If you want to, you could subscribe to additional variant covers. You can also subscribe the amount of quantity you want. Returning back to my subscriptions, we can now see Absolute Wonder Woman here. It will begin with the earliest available copy. So for this one, it would be the 6th issue, a second printing. I will also delete this version of this subscription here to show off how to delete. And there you go. So from here, you can now go through and add as many subscriptions as you want to various different comics. Challenges, Games, and Comics also have various different other items that you can go through and apply for, such as manga, card supplies, games, and etc. Feel free to go through and use challengesgames.com as your one-stop shop for all of your gaming and nerd needs.